So I've been using the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro for a little bit now, and I've liked these so far, and I'm going to do a full review on these and finish it out. But one of the things that annoyed me that I just kind of have to have a rant about is that in 2024, at the price point and at the Pro moniker that these are at, that you still can't do multi-point connection outside of Samsung's own ecosystem, just like Apple does with their AirPods as well. It is not a feature that I think should be copied at all. And trust me, I tested this out. I did this with the Galaxy, my Galaxy S23, and I did it with an S6 tablet that I had, just kind of hanging around. Connected those. I can multi-point switch between those easily, no problem. But let me connect this to like my Windows laptop, like a Surface laptop here. Nope, it will disconnect from one device and reconnect to the other, and vice versa. Come on. It's 2024. This should be easy to do. So many other Bluetooth headphones of varying prices do this, like Anker and Sony and many others are able to multi-point connect without a problem. This shouldn't be some locked away feature to put into some walled garden. And Samsung, you should be able to update this with a firmware update to allow us to do this. Set the example here, because you're one of the leading mobile manufacturers out there, one of the leading manufacturers of headphones as well too. This isn't something you should be locking away into your own ecosystem. Open this up so everybody can use it in any way, in any configuration they want to, especially at the $249 price point. You pay for this if you don't have a trade-in with it. And the same thing goes for Apple as well too. If you're watching this, you should be opening this up to other non-Apple devices. These are just Bluetooth headphones. Like, come on. Allow people to have the choice to choose how they want to use them, where they want to use them, and what devices they want to use them with. Okay, end rant. I'll see you in the next one.